If you want to figure out which social media platform is the best for monetization, YouTube is good, but you can't play with TikTok. With over 1 billion monthly users, TikTok has smashed into the top of the social media leaderboards and has set itself apart as one of the best social media platforms that you can use to make money while creating content. Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This video I want to talk about how to make money with TikTok. So if you have been looking for ways to make money on TikTok, just do me a favor by liking the video, and if you are new to the channel, do well to subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Technically, there are several ways you can make money on TikTok, but they are all tied to basic principles. Number one is viewership. You need to have a good viewership, people that view your content on TikTok. And number two, you need to have user retention. People need to watch the content that you are making for a long time. You don't just need people to watch your video for 2 seconds, 3 seconds, or 10 seconds and they disappear. And number three is interactivity. You have to find a way to interact with them, probably through the comment section. You have to reply to comments. If they're asking you a question, you need to find a way to answer those questions. You need to interact. It's a community, so these are your family. So you have to find a way to reach out to people and you have a good interactivity. And the last one is quality content. This is where you make sure that you are not just producing crappy content on the internet. You need to make sure that your content is quality. Use a good camera. If you are using a phone, use a good phone. If you are editing, make sure your editing is superb, man. Good quality gets people to watch your video to the end. Now, I will say this, don't be in a hurry to make money on TikTok. Try and get these 4 principles right. Very, very important. And ensure you have up to 10,000 followers before you can think of how you can start making money. Now, let's say you have achieved this. Now, let's get into the main details. So now the first one is the TikTok Creator Fund and the Creativity Program. So if you live in the US, Germany, UK, Spain, Australia, etc., the easiest way to get some passive income from views is through TikTok Creator Fund. The fund is supplied by TikTok. So the thing is that TikTok has released a statement that the algorithm changes rapidly and takes all aspects of viewership and retention under construction. The TikTok Creator Fund started in 2021 with a commitment to £231 million. Guys, this is a lot of money and you need to be a part of this. So the requirement for being on the TikTok Creator Fund is number one, you have to be 18 years old, and number two, you need to have up to 10,000 followers on TikTok. That's why I said you need 10,000 to get onto this program. You don't need to be in a hurry. Keep grinding, keep pushing, keep bringing out quality content on TikTok until you achieve this. And the last one is that you need to have up to 100,000 views within the last 30 days. So if you can have all these boxes checked, you are good to go. I'm going to jump on TikTok application and show you how. So first of all, what you need to do is to launch your TikTok application. Then you just go to your profile, click on this hamburger icon, then you select the creator tools. And you come down, you'll see Creator Fund. Click on the Creator Fund. So if your account has all these green boxes checked, you are good to go. You just click on, by continuing, you apply. So if your account is good to go, just go ahead and apply. TikTok processes new applications to the fund relatively quickly. So in May 2023, TikTok launched the Creativity Program Beta. The Creativity Program Beta differs from the existing TikTok Creator Fund. So the way this works is that your account has to be eligible before you can get a notification from TikTok to make a switch from the Creator Fund to the Creativity Program. So the most important thing is that for the Creativity Program Beta, you have to make videos that are longer than 1 minute. TikTok wants you to make longer videos for you to benefit from this program. So if you are making videos that are less than 1 minute, you need to remain on the Creator Fund. No need to switch because you're not going to make money. So if you are happy and you really want to switch, you just go ahead, confirm and make a switch. TikTok will ask you for your tax information and for your payout information. TikTok automatically runs its verification process when you are making your application to the program. If you aren't eligible, the apply button won't be accessible to you. The requirement is almost similar to the Creator Fund. You need 10,000 followers, you need 100,000 views in the last 30 days, and you have to be at least 18 years. The biggest difference is that your video on this other program has to be over 1 minute. And also there should be no report to your TikTok account, and all of your posts has to follow community guidelines. Another place you can make money on TikTok is the creator marketplace. So the creator marketplace is a place to effectively sell yourself to brands and score affiliate marketing deals. The creator marketplace adopts the influencer agency model. So we are living in a world where a lot of brands are beginning to use the content creators to grow their business through influencer marketing. And this can only mean more money for content creators. So you can collaborate with brands easily and get paid when you create for campaigns. Another thing you need to take cognizance is to align with companies with which you share the same brand value with. You have to collaborate with brand that has a lot to do with the content that you are posting. So for the creator marketplace, you need to be 18 years old. You also need to have 10,000 followers or more. You must have posted 3 videos or more in the last 30 days. You also need to have 1,000 video views or more in the last 30 days. Then lastly, make sure your content follows community guidelines and branded content policy. You can also leverage some of the tools that TikTok have here, like TikTok Shop for sellers, where you can sell some of your products. You can also use TikTok Shop for creators. Here you can promote products and get commission easily. You can discover thousands of products to promote, get insight into your data. You can get commission from the product that you've promoted. And this one is very easy to join. All you need is 1,000 followers, be up to 18 years, and you must posted a video on TikTok in the last 28 days. So the next thing you want to do to make money on your TikTok account is to create a media kit for your account. What is a media kit? A media kit is also known as a press kit. It's a set of promotional materials to provide information to members of the news media. So if a brand reaches out to you, what they're going to ask you is, do you have a media kit? Can you just send it to us? And if you did not have this, they are not going to work with you because they're going to look at you as an unserious person. How do you create a media kit? Go on Canvas, just search media kit and you see a lot of templates pops up. Make sure you make use of one of them. Some of them are free and some of them are premium, which you have to pay. Just find a good one that is similar to your account and you have a media kit already. The media kit will help you to sell yourself as a brand. You should include your contact information, testimonials. If you have worked with any brand, include them, include your achievement, and also include some photos. All you need to do is just to carry out extensive research on the creative market that you're in, collect accurate data that can adequately display your drive and project engagement. Create a detailed outline for your press kit. The next one is to create non-sponsored content and market small businesses. So you can walk to a pizza shop and say you want to create content for them. Probably they're not going to pay you, but you just do it for free. So what you're automatically doing is that you are exposing yourself to bigger brands. Shortly, bigger brands will start looking for you. Oh, I saw what you did for this small business. Can you do it for us? And you start charging them. The next one is to build trust and carve a niche. Now, recently, brands have realized that most of the top content creators on TikTok, let's say like 1 million, 2 million, are not really the people that give them value. They might not even be the best fit to promote their offer. So they turn up to creators, let's say 10,000 to 50,000 followers, because they might discover that you have a particular niche that you keep making content. They are going to stick to you if they discover you have a good user retention and a very high conversion rate. If you can build rapport with your user base as a micro influencer, you position yourself as a niche influencer that is focusing on one niche. Believe me, you might rank high in sponsorship offers. Next one, apply the branded content toggle. This TikTok feature helps to encourage transparency for businesses, creators, and brands. You don't need this if you're already on the creator marketplace. This applies automatically. This is why you should align yourself and work with brands that you truly love, rather than working with anybody that's just ready to give you money. So if you are not already on the creator marketplace, this is how you can enable this feature. And this feature can be enabled while you are making a post. So hit on more option, select branded content, and you can turn it on. Be aware that TikTok might flag and take down your post if you are creating sponsored content and not using the branded content toggle. The next one is to go live. You can make a whole lot of money when you go live. A lot of content creators are making huge money these days when they are live because they have people donating coins and you can convert these TikTok coins to money. Going live is a really good way that you can start making money. When you go live, you can copy the link to your live event and you can share it on other platforms so that other people can come in and join your live. And for the last point, if you're a small business on TikTok, why not just try TikTok Ads Manager? You can leverage your user base and get better traffic when you run ads on TikTok. TikTok will help to promote your product and services to a wider reach. Moreover, in life, you have to spend money to make money. That's how it works. If a lot of people can see your ads, if you can drag a lot of people to your post or to your page, they are going to patronize your business and you are going to make money from them. So just go to TikTok Ad Manager, create a campaign, and you should be good to go. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. Let me know if you like this video. Moreover, I believe that you love it. Hit the like button and hit the subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed to this channel. Why not share the video to someone? It might help someone. You can't tell. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next video. Yeah.